Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Bobby here. Today I'll be showing you how to make a Girl Scout friendship bracelet. I learned this while I was volunteering with the Girl Scouts. It's made with one piece of rope, but it looks like it was made from three because it's braided. You start with a piece of rope or string that's can go around your wrist at least 4 times. For this example, I'll be using a piece a little bit shorter. To start with, make a circle with the rope and then pull it tight. To where you have a couple of inches sticking off each side. So you have what looks like 3 ropes. Sometimes it's easier when you're first starting to learn how to do this to get somebody else to hold one end of this while you work on it, but I'm gonna show you how I do it by myself. You take these three here, and you act like it's 3 separate pieces of rope, and you just start braiding it. And after you do it a couple of times, at the bottom you have to pull out this part because it gets tangled up in that. You just keep braiding it. You have to pull that out again. Pull this out. At the end, you twist it and you put the end through. A lot of times people make this out of leather, like shoestring type leather. And what they do, they'll put a pony bead right here, and they'll take this end and bring it around and stick it through the pony bead this way, and take this end and stick it around through the pony bead that way, and it helps hold it together. But just to learn how to do it with a rope, you just get them to use this and then tie it on a friend's hand. If one girl makes it and gives it to another girl, then they're friends. But that's what it looks like. And that's all. Okay, I'm gonna make it one more time. Make a circle around your hand where you have 3 strands of rope with ends hanging off the end, but long enough to tie a knot with. You take it and hold one end. Like I say, you can get somebody to hold this end for you while you braid with both hands, but I'll be doing it like I'm by myself. You just start braiding it. You have to stop and take this end out because it gets hung up in there. It comes out looking like that. And one girl makes it and gives it to another girl, and they become friends. Tie it on their wrist like this. If you like this video, please like, and you can subscribe to my channel. See more videos like this. I'll be making more knots and outdoor cooking recipes soon. And thank you very much.